Hi, this is Everett, Everett's Watercolors. Welcome to my studio. I was out early this morning doing a drawing, and I found this set of gas meters that were intriguing shapes and so forth. So what I did on location, I took a couple photographs, and then I went to sit down at a table there outside and did a quick sketch, which you'll see here soon. And then I brought it back to the studio, and I wanted to finish that up and do a complete drawing here on the video. So I hope you like that and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. So let's go back, let's continue on and show you the results of my outdoor drawing this morning. Okay, there's my setup outside. I took a photograph here. I'm here sitting at a table. I took a photograph of what I'm going to draw today. Okay, that's the preliminary sketch, and I'm going to take that back to the studio and work a little more on detail. But I was drawing from my cell phone. There's my reference, and I'm getting a rough sketch in there. Okay. I'm going to stop right there. I'll bring it over to my close-up camera, and there's the photograph I took this morning of the outdoor scene. This is a bunch of gas meters, but look at the interesting shapes and so forth. So what I did, this is what I did on location. You'll see the film, and this is what I did on location. Real quick outline sketch outdoors, sitting at a table. And I decided to bring it back here and finish it up here in the studio. Okay, I'll start drawing now. Got my visual journal here that I started a sketch on, and I got my reference photograph on the left. So I'm going to start here redrawing this a little bit. So I'm going to start down here at this section here on the right. Okay, let me bring up real close to the drawing here now. I got that, let me turn off the photograph here. Okay, now bring this up close, get a nice shot of that there. Now there's my drawing now. It's still a rough, but I got the meters in there and the sizes and the shapes, and that's what we're really looking for. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for a minute, then I'm going to come back, maybe darken up some areas, and finish off the drawing. Okay, here's a cleanup drawing I did. I went and added a lot more, added some more definition, added a little darker lines, and also added in the connectors around the pipes and so forth, and added in the boundary and the behind the wall. And you can see here I added a little more, just the same drawing. I used the same drawing. You can see some of the original lines in there, but I went ahead and emphasized and darkened up some, and also defined the connectors around the pipes. And then I even added in a little bit of brickwork here in the background, just showing the bricks and so forth. And I think it turned out real good. But that's a complicated drawing like that, but it's a lot of fun. Take your time now. If I go back to the original photograph, that's what I saw when I took the original picture and the original sketch. And then I'll come back here to the studio, and I cleaned it up and added a little more detail. So that's the end of my drawing for today. On location, on location sketch, bring it back to the studio and did a little additional definition. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and please give me a comment and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified of the next video. Thank you for watching.